taking my Brompton to the bicycle shop to change the tires. As you can see, I got Continental there. I just ordered them from Netherlands, and in here I bought some, what's it, puncture adhesive tape from Decathlon. The size 16 to 29. That's interesting. Well, hopefully it will stop any potential nails. Right, time to hit the road. Whoops. Oops. Damn. The tire's rubbing against the back of my feet. I had to move the tire from the rack to the front of the bicycle because it was rubbing against the back of my, I was rubbing my heels basically. Just hope it doesn't fall off on a bump. I don't know if you can see it here. I didn't want to deform the tires by sticking them in the bag. I'm hoping the new Continental tires will roll better. The current tires I have on, the Schwalbe Marathon, they're alright, but they feel a bit sticky. You know, they don't roll so well. And on some road conditions it actually feels a bit slippery. I don't know how it can feel sticky and slippery at the same time. Have to be careful around here because there's a lot of thorns. So I'm not very far from the bicycle shop. The good thing about this bicycle shop, British Cycle Square, they have a cafe where they serve coffee. So while I'm waiting for my Brompton to have the tyre changed, I can have a nice cup of Americano. Looking just now, I just cut in front of him. Wasn't expecting anything coming from behind. Stupid me. Oh Jesus Christ! I think I just damaged my balls. Right. I forget I got a camera in my bag up front. I hope it doesn't get damaged with all these bumps. I pumped up the tire pretty high this morning, 100 psi. Okay, here we are, British Cycle Square. สวัสดีครับสวัสดีครับมาเปลี่ยนยางมาเปลี่ยนยางครับ At about every 15th minute of the hour, the train starts running along the tracks here. The train's over here at the moment. There it is. There you go. When it starts running, I'm gonna take a video so you can see. In the meantime, I'm enjoying my Americano, the second one of the day. Still waiting for my bicycle. In the meantime, look at this. This is Lego, a roller coaster. Pretty amazing, isn't it? Never seen this before. Must be bloody expensive. You've got a couple of Lego guys on there. Look at that. The train is coming. Bicycle shop with a train. Yeah. Oh, one more step. Come on. Choo-choo train. Yeah, there it goes. Can you see that? Brompton's on the train now. Bicycle over there. And Alex Moulton, my dream bicycle. I really want one, but I can't afford one. There we go. Getting taped on my tires. Finally got my brand new tires on the Continental. Hell yeah, these tires are way better than the Marathons. Jesus. Smoother, for sure. And they roll like hell, man. Big difference. Starving like hell now. Gotta get some lunch. Jeez, man. I mean, there's a huge difference on how these tires feel, especially in cornering. Bananas for 20 baht, bloody hell. That was cheap. I have a couple of banana trees at home, but I don't have any bananas ripe to eat at the moment. So a new bunches coming out, and it's going to take at least another month or so before I can eat them. Holy crap. If anyone hasn't changed to Continental tires yet, I highly suggest that you do. These tires are amazing. You know, usually when the tires are brand new, they don't feel that good, at least for the first, like, 100 kilometers. But these tires are fantastic right out of the box. Oops. Try the Continental on these tiled halfway. See how it feels. I remember the Schwalbe on these tiles. You know, the Schwalbe was going from side to side in the rear end. Continental handles this much better. There's still a little bit of movement in the rear end, but not as bad as on the Schwalbe. I wonder what the PSI is on the tires. Feels like I could add a couple of pounds more. By the way, these tires were pretty expensive. Well, the tires weren't expensive, but the cost of shipping was. But I was lucky this time. Normally when I get purchase bicycle parts online from overseas, I get taxed about 30–35% each time, but this time they just delivered to the door. Usually I have to go and pick it up from the post office. No one's going to stop you at the zebra crossing, so you got to be a bit suicidal, you know, when you cross the roads in Thailand, especially in Bangkok anyway. It seems like a daily occurrence, you know, where someone gets run over on a zebra crossing. Zebra crossing. can't tell you how pleased I am with these tires. Home again. Oops. Got my Brompton back. See these Continental Contact Urban. That's the name of the tires. Yeah, super good. I'm glad I changed them. This is how I had to transport the tires to and from the bike shop, because when I put them on the rack, my heels would hit the you know, the tires, whatever I put on the rack there. So I was thinking of taking the rack off. It's pretty useless. The problem is, if I take the rack off, I gotta buy a new pair of fenders, because the rack is attached to the fender in the rear. So I might put the black fenders on. I'm not sure yet. So what have I changed on the Brompton? The first change I made was the handlebars. They weren't wide enough. Initially I was going to put mountain bike handlebars on, but you know, it's too low here. Didn't feel comfortable. So I changed to these Joseph Cusack. The next thing I changed, well, I didn't actually change. Oh yeah, I changed the saddle. I got these, what do you call it, San Marco saddles on there. And next thing I bought was this bag here. It's not actually a original Brompton bag. I don't think it's made by some other company. I have no idea. That was pretty expensive. And then after that, I changed the pedals. Yeah, Brompton pedals suck, seriously. So I got these detachable pedals, which when I take the pedal off, it goes on there. I had to buy that separately. Bloody hell. So that's the only thing I changed basically. I bought this B-twin Decathlon with bottle holder, and I got this shitty light on the back here, which I need to replace. I don't have a front light at the moment. So that's about it. Haven't done much about it, or haven't done much customization, which I don't usually do anyway. I just try to make the bike as comfortable as possible, that's all.